Okay, so let's rush and get to the church. I don't know for how long I'm going to hold this bloody tripod stand. Imagine using bloody tripod stand. I wish I had something I could just plug. And it's raining and I'm making a video. So it's quite difficult. You're not going to see much. Pretty dark, I think. I've been at speed they make and dark. Oh wow, camera not strong. And it's pretty weird because everyone is like, who is this weirdo? Who is this freaking fella? You know? Carrying a tripod stand, he must be some cool dude. But wait, what's that hat on his head? Okay. Okay, so relax. Attracting a lot of attention here. So much attention here, man. Imagine at the outside, lights not even see. This is how bad it is, though. Yow. Oh boy. Those are. The man not seeing me, bro. Like, you see me, bro. You don't see my face. Like, you couldn't care less. The man never sent me. Like, you get that kind of thing. People will come be like, say they for answer my greeting. I'm not gonna know them. But now that they greet me, now that they look me past. This is going to be just about the most horrible video I've ever made in my life. Well, not exactly. I've made more terrible stuff over the years. I'm good at that kind of stuff. Really horrible stuff. Now, I go to enter market. Well, not exactly market, junction. God, I beg, make my mic not spoil. This thing I made in China. No this. I know they plan this anybody for China. China, I respect you guys. I love you. But we're not to do. Something made in China. Eh? You're born picking the right at top, made in China. Oh, not to do. I doubt whether I'm going to hear everything that they talk for this video. Because everybody, where they look me, why they make this video so? The teacher don't call low. The teacher don't crazy. But I still never understand now why this video dark. I said dark rush. Everybody thinks that they crazy. But we'll offer it up this for the sake of content. So now where we do? My content. No reason in my content. Really excuse me. Oh, I just TikTok generation. Really excuse why I get to the Zuzu like this. People day. Look just to say everyone badass. I don't declare smith. The only reason I can just misbehave like this is so you do popular that this is what all church creators do. One man should talk. Good morning. Good night. Yeah, now don't go greet person, wrong greeting. Small 12 o'clock knock. Then now let person hear what good morning and good afternoon. What's the difference when I touch the knock? Not stress, man, nobody stress me. I won't go play again now. Nobody will see me like this, eh? They go enter me. They go enter me. Yes, we're back. That big girl is back. Alone. Yes. We made it. Oh my TikTok.